And just like that, it's a new year. Woo! Let's get hype. Oh my God, look at this. Woo! Happy New Year. You ready for some top offers? Because I am. In spot number 5, we have a familiar offer that is making a comeback, and it's Nano Defense Pro. Nano Defense Pro is a skin and nail supporting supplement that relies on super tiny molecules to get into areas where the big guys just can't fit. It's been a little bit since this offer made the top offer segment, so we're thrilled to see them back at it in spot number 5 this January, which is the perfect time to start promoting this offer because Q1, with the winter weather wreaking havoc on hair, skin, nails here in the Northern Hemisphere, folks everywhere are looking for a fix for their dry and damaged skin because, who wants some flakies? Affiliates are loving those numbers too. An APV over 150. Yeah, that's some nice stuff. There's nothing nano about that, so let's take a look at the rest of the numbers, shall we? We got an EPC. I got to take that off. It's just so much. It's like I can't see. I'm trying to see through the glasses, but they're not really glasses. They're paper. Anyway, EPC, $1.10, an average payout value of $150.09, and a hot conversion rate of 0.84%. That's golden. And it's going right into the new year, so you're definitely going to want to promote this and go get it and test it. Because Q1, man, new year, new me, new hair. Well, not for me, but I'm sure other people. In spot number 4, we have another former top offer that we haven't seen in a while, and it's Joint Genesis. This supplement supports the joint by enriching the synovial fluid. I know what that means, I promise. Which is the fluid that acts like a joint jello, keeping joints healthy and supported. See? Joint jello. I knew what it was. Don't come at me. I know what joint jello is. And just like our skin and nails and joint jello, winter does a number on our joints. If you're looking to promote an offer that people are looking for this time of year, Joint Genesis might just be the one for you. Plus, the affiliate tools are on point. It's easy to get up and going with this offer. And then it's on to the conversion. Speaking of which, let's take a look at those Joint Genesis numbers. So, EPC, 79 cents, an average payout value of $141.37, and a hot conversion rate of 0.63%. It is a banger. And if you're looking at some of these in this list and you're like, oh, that's a little bit lower and this is a little bit higher, trust me, these are averages. This doesn't tell you where everybody is. It doesn't tell you where the best ones are. It just tells you where the average is. And these are the ones we've identified that are going to be hopping in January because Q1, Nutra, and they got the juice. So go, test it, promote it. All right, we're going to take a pause for one moment. If you're sitting here being like, man, I want to start off the new year right. I want to start off the new year being the best affiliate ever. Let me tell you something. We got CB Summit coming in January 29th to be exact. And it's going to be a wealth, a smorgasbord, a cornucopia, a giant word about big things here summit that is exclusively about affiliate marketing, how you can get better, how you can improve, and all of the trends that are coming in 2025 and beyond. So you're prepared, you're ready, and you can be your very best. Plus, you can just see us. Don't you want to see us and hang with us in January? What are you doing on January 29th? It's cold. Period. Come watch us. Now, click the link below. This way, that way, up there. Who knows? It's a surprise. Okay. At number 3, we got some names we're all very familiar with. It's the prostate supporting powerhouse ProstaVive. In spot number 3, you know it. This one-of-a-kind formula packs a bundle of beneficial ingredients into a powder that is easy to add to your favorite beverage. With low refunds, repeat customers, and most importantly, a proven and tested VSL. There's no guessing why ProstaVive keeps making the top offers list. If you're already promoting to men over 40 or want to give it a short test, ProstaVive could be your next great decision. So try it out by the new year, head to that marketplace, start optimizing those campaigns for it, and let's take a look at those stats. It's got an EPC of 77 cents, an average payout value of $139.31, and a hot conversion rate of 0.67%. And it's going to pop. It's going to go because people are going to have their annual meetings with their doctors. They're going to be like, oh, I don't know about that. Or they're going to see their family over Christmas. They're going to be like, Dad, you really need to start taking care of yourself. And they're going to start looking. And it's going to kick. And plus, this one has a lot of affiliates who are actually making really good money, and you definitely want to promote it. They got a great team behind them. They'll take care of you. So go, test it, optimize it. Okay, another evergreen ClickBank offer in spot number 2. It's ProDentim, and at this point, ProDentim should be a household name. At least it's a household name in my household. This dental offer is a legendary classic ClickBank top offer. These things melt in your mouth like little candies that give your mouth the good bacteria and that help ward off all the dental woes like gum disease, cavities, and most importantly, that nasty bad breath. With a consistent conversion rate and an EPC of over $1, it's obvious why ProDentim is an affiliate stream. Did you honestly need any more convincing? Well, take a look at the affiliate tools. With plenty of support to get started, promoting them is seriously a no-brainer. Why are you still listening to me? Head to the marketplace listing, grab your link today, and now let's talk about that juicy data. It's got an EPC, $1.10, an average payout value of $137.53, and a hop conversion rate of 0.90%. I mean, woo! That's some good stuff. And holiday season's here, and everyone's going to be thinking about the cavities they're getting. So go, test it, optimize it, and scale it out to the moon. Now, for spot number 1, we have a brand new top offer. What? Yeah, we do. This brand new offer is going to be a big one, folks, I promise. It's Mitolyn, and it's awesome. It's a bespoke formula, too. Ooh, bespoke, that's a fancy word. That ramps up mitochondria production, which just happens to be one of those things that slim-toned people have. More mitochondria, and that's not just the thing that make people Jedi. Now, for a quick 7th grade science refresher, where is the powerhouse of the cell? I don't know, but this thing knows, and it's mitochondria. That's right, the powerhouse of the cell. With multi-bottle bundles, engaging testimonials, and eye-catching branding, this offer is sure to be a hit. And now's the time to get in on it because new year, new me, gotta lose some weight and gotta lose those chunky pounds. So let's look at these numbers because they are amazing. They're out of the gate, so they may change a little bit, but they're awesome. EPC, $2.62. Average payout value, $145.69. And a hop conversion rate of, oh my God, 1.92%. It's insane. So go, promote it. If you go to their affiliate tools page and contact them, they'll give you a bump to 85%. They are amazing to work with. They have great creatives. They have a ton of different landers. Great way to start out the new year and earn yourself some good commissions and help others lose weight. So go, promote it, test it, optimize it, scale it. And coming to you as a bonus, we got MitoThrive. Now you're gonna see that I'm not gonna talk about any stats because it is a brand new offer. You're definitely gonna wanna go to promote it. It is a diet and weight loss offer. So just like Mitolyn, it's brand new. But unlike Mitolyn, no one's tested it yet, but that could be you. You could be the one testing it right now. You could have that blue ocean. So go, test it. MitoThrive is a great offer from a diamond vendor. They are good. They're great to work with, just like everybody in this top list. But go test it. MitoThrive. Go get it. It's brand new. Focus on those new goals, those New Year's resolutions, and let's just make 2025 the best year ever. And let's start it out with a bang. So, Happy New Year, and go make some money, y'all.